Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we are going to make a super fun bread that I'm telling you anyone can make. We are doing a blue cheese gorgonzola pull apart bread. And if you don't like blue cheese or gorgonzola, know that my friend and I were talking about this bread, and we decided that goat cheese would also be amazing with this. So if you don't like blue cheese but you like goat cheese, you should try this still. So it's real simple. There are literally 3 ingredients. You need biscuits, you need blue cheese, and you need butter. So right now I have an 10-inch cast iron in the oven with half a stick of butter melting down in the bottom of it. I just got finished making a batch of my super flaky biscuits. I have made a video on this. I'll try to remember to link it up. If you want to see a new video on it, let me know. I make these all the time. So I just made one batch and I already have them cut, ready to go. You could also just use 1 can of biscuits, but I'm telling you, once you have homemade buttermilk biscuits, you're not going to want the store-bought. And I say that honestly because I love Pillsbury and I bought them all the time. These are my favorite. So I have those ready, and then I have, these came from Kroger. You want about 4 ounces. So this is Black Label blue cheese. You can use any type. And then this is, it looks messy because it is. I was into it earlier, but it's gorgonzola. And it's really, really creamy. It is the best cheese I have ever had. It doesn't look like it. Sorry. I can't have it look pretty because I was in it. But I'm going to get this kind of crumbled up, get the butter, and I'll show you how I assemble it. Okay, so my butter is all melted, sizzled away. So now just take your, actually I think I want to cut these a little more. So you want, if you're using store-bought biscuits, you want to quarter them. So some of these I'm going to cut smaller. You don't have to. You could use them whole, but this just makes it fun and more like a pull-apart bread. So now I'm just going to lay these in my pan. Okay, so once you have all of your biscuit pieces in there, go ahead and gently toss just to get everything coated in your butter. And your biscuits are going to get kind of mushy. That's okay. It will not hurt anything, I promise. Okay, hold on. Now that I've done that, I have room for the last couple that I didn't think I had room for. Alright, now lay them all in one layer. They don't have to be pretty. Remember, this is going to be a pull-apart bread. It can look rustic. Okay, now we're just going to take our blue cheese, or if you want to use goat cheese, but I've only done this with blue cheese. Spread it out in little crumbles, like so. Okay, so as you can see, all I've done is crumble it. And if you're using fresher blue cheese like what I got from the specialty cheese area at Kroger, it is creamier than the store-bought already crumbled. If you want to make it easy, you can do that, and then you can just pour it on. But I tried to make it as even as possible. Also, a side note, I am using the combination of blue cheese and gorgonzola. If you really like blue cheese, then you'll like gorgonzola because it is a lot sharper, it's a lot tangier, it is very, very good. But if you're someone that likes blue cheese but doesn't love blue cheese, I would stick with just blue cheese because gorgonzola may be a little too strong. But I have my oven set to 375 degrees, and this is going to go in for 15 to 20 minutes Really, you're just watching until the biscuits are done, and then you'll know it's ready to come out. Okay, so here is the finished product. Now, I let this set for about 15 minutes before jumping into it. Let me first say it just smells amazing. But I am going to pull a piece out to show you. First off, can we just... But I don't want that piece. I want one that has plenty of blue cheese. Here we go. Yeah, that's gorgonzola. Oh my goodness. The biscuits are so light and fluffy and buttery from being doused in butter. And I put butter in my biscuit dough. And then the creamy blue cheese and gorgonzola. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. See all that butter? Who wouldn't love a bite of that? Oh my goodness. Okay, so I will let you guys go, and I will see you all on my next video. Thanks for watching.